round to the head. Stare at the head, one round at the head, fire. Okay, you shot a foot and a half high, Richie, because your gun's tilted like this. Okay? Gun! Good. Gun! Gun! Stare at it. Gun! 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 Gun!
So my name's Chuck Goss. I teach Modern Arnis, and I have a mock program. It's called Modern Arnis Combat Handgun. It's a program that's been put together originally for law enforcement. It's using Modern Arnis empty hand techniques and then combining it with weapon retention and then eventually shooting the gun. We use point shooting methods. As it's grown, we started going with the civilian crowd. We're teaching to people who have certified licenses to carry a pistol legally within the rights of the Constitution now. And so what we're doing is we're teaching these folks that don't have a lot of experience of how to properly carry a gun, how to handle a gun properly, safely, without injuring anybody, because knowledge is power. If you be able to handle a weapon safely, you're much better off. So what we do is the Mach 1 program gives you 2 hours of empty hand. We teach some very basic, if somebody grabs you or strikes you, those kind of things. And then we teach some very basic fundamental gun safety, and then some basic fundamental skills for point shooting. And in Mach 2, we step it up a little bit. You get 2 hours of empty hand again, and then you get 2 hours of shooting, and obviously the shooting gets a little bit harder. Multiple targets, reloads, multiple rounds at a time. Mach 3, we do the same thing, but we just step it up a little bit more, and you wind up doing some transitional stuff from movement, one-handed, offhand, reloads, all those kind of things. So it's a progressive thing. It's about being in the fight, being able to defend yourself empty-handed or with a weapon or both. So instead of having this mindset, I can only just shoot you, because that's not feasible. I mean, you might carry a gun for 100 years and never really have the need to use it, but you may have a need to protect yourself with your empty hands. And while you're doing that, you don't want to lose your weapon, because it's terrible to lose your weapon and then get shot with it. That'd be horrifying. So this program is very progressive. It goes 1, 2, and 3, like I said, and we do some camps as well. It's a very, very successful program. We've been teaching it all over the United States to civilians and law enforcement alike. So if you want any more information, you get in touch with us, the IMAF, or at the Master of Tapi Tapi page, or my page, or the firing line. That's where we do a lot of our training in Westland, Michigan. Okay, thank you very much for your time. Please come and check us out, and I think you would be very satisfied with the training that we're doing. Looking forward to seeing everybody there. Thank you.